We are super jacked. We are super sassy. Hey guys, welcome back to Saving Mamasita. Today, yes, we are feeling a little bit sassy. Okay, a lot sassy AF. Because we are unboxing a very sassy box. It is called Hot Mess Win. It is actually a quarterly box. And so you're going to pay a little bit more for this box because it is quarterly. They have so many different fun and unique items in here. And one thing about this box subscription is that they love to support small businesses. So that is a win in my book. Love that. I have unboxed this box before. If you missed that one, please be sure to check it out right up there in that link. It was one of my higher rated boxes. So that should say a lot because when I do my box ratings, you guys, if you are not familiar with that, I do a section called Rate That Box where I go ahead and I dissect the box based on some different factors, including the way that it's packaged, the way that it's presented, the quality of the items, the variety of the items, the price point. All of those different factors help to determine a ranking based on a scale of 1 to 10. So we will do that right after we do the unboxing, you guys, so stick around for that. And I want to know what you guys think about the box after I unbox it as well. So, okay, so Hot Mess Win comes in this bright and fabulously colored box. On the front, I had to giggle when I got it because on the front it says, "Oh, hey, mail carrier. Thank you for delivering me, but please handle with care because I'm fragile AF. Thank you. Have a great day." Even a little message to the mail carrier. Isn't that freaking adorbs? Love that. On the side of the box is another little giggle that I have to have because they say, inhale the good shh, exhale the bull shh. And along this side, it has their website. So if you want to check that out, you guys, you can go ahead and do that. And on their website, they do have a very good description of what is offered inside the box, as well as the price when they ship out the boxes and all of that jazz. They really got this taped up good, you guys. Let's take a little cut here. And on this side. Okay, so opening it up, here we go. Woo! Okay, on the top it says, "Oh, hey, hey. Thank you for your support of Hot Mess Win and the small businesses that we support. Loving your box, show us, post and tag Hot Mess Win on their socials, Instagram, Facebook." And this is exactly what they had in their last box as well. Cue the confetti. Go ahead and throw that. Shh, you deserve this celebration. On the top, can you guys see that? They have some really fun confetti tissue paper and a sticker that says Hot Mess Win with hands indicating a raise the roof symbol. And it has a cute little card. Just a personal letter. You guys know it. Thank you for your support. I hope you love the box. With much love, Yolanda. Important info for this box. We have included some tasty treats in this box. If you have any food allergies, please reference the back of the packages. Just looking out for you. We are just as excited for you as you are to experience the Hot Mess Win box. And we would love your help supporting us by sharing your excitement using Hot Mess Win hashtag. However, please don't share your coupon codes should you find any. These codes are a special perk for you as a subscriber. Ooh, thank you. You have a little scratch off ticket here. And you can pick your celebration package. Ooh, should we scratch it? Let's scratch it. I just got my nails done, so I really have a good scratcher here. Okay, so scratching it off, it says, yay! Enjoy 10% off your first box with the code. Yeah! I love saving that money, for sure. This is their postcard, and on the postcard, it has all of the items listed on their back of the postcard, everything that's in the box. And then they have, yes, the retail values. Yes! Okay, yes!
You know I love that. I freaking love that.
Ooh, look at that! Oh my goodness sakes. A lot of fun stuff in here. Wow. All right, so let's go ahead and take this. They have my heart. I am a popcorn girl. It's my favorite snack ever. Metro Mix corn by Simply Delightful, and they're out of Michigan. Can we just say yum? The amazing combination of caramel and cheese in one bag. What? Go ahead, shovel that in and enjoy the melting goodness. No judgment here. Retail value of this is $4.99. Let's open it. We're gonna try this. I love cheese and I love caramel, so what an awesome combination. It does really melt in your mouth. That is freaking amazing. Let's try the caramel. That's a super big bag for $4.99 though, isn't it? I'm okay with that. That is super amazing. Next item we have is, oh my gosh, you're killing me here. Salt water freaking taffy. This is a huge bag, you guys. Oh my gosh. Assorted saltwater taffy by Simply Delightful, the same company that makes the popcorn. This value is $4.99. What? This salty but sweet treat is sure to make your taste buds second guess themselves. The variety of flavors are just like the variety of life circumstances you overcome in life. You just never know what you're gonna get. So this is Simply Delightful Assorted Taffy. They have a lot of fun flavors in here, including my favorites: banana, grape, orange cream, peppermint, raspberry, watermelon, cherry, caramel swirls, chocolate, green apple, licorice swirl, Neapolitan, cinnamon, vanilla, root beer float, and more. I see one problem right now. There's only one banana. It's mine. I am claiming it, okay? It's mine. Oh, what is this? Look at this. It's called Little Salty Bit Sugar Scrub by Explicit Essentials out of New York. Need some sugar to calm that saltiness? I know many people that could use this to get that saltiness taken care of. We've got you covered with the Sugar Body Scrub. So next time you're feeling a little salty, take a breath and scrub away. Made with quartz sugar, grapeseed oil, vitamin E oil, and dried flowers. The value on this is $15.99. Let's go ahead and open this up to smell it. Definitely you can tell that it has that sugar granulation happening inside. Looks like this one is a candle, maybe? I don't know. Let's undo this here. Yes, this is a candle. Love candles. Sassy Hen Studio. Oh my goodness. For when you can't even, okay? What the actual F is the only thing you can say to some situation. Light that candle and let that beep burn. Burn, baby, burn. 100% soy, and the scent is butt naked. Enjoy the sweet scent of butt naked. Combination of green apples, spicy pears, honeydew melon, strawberries, and a light accent of cherry. Retail value on this is $15. Yes. It's a 1 wick candle. It's a very fruity. You can smell the pear. I like that. I like that. That is great. Looks like we have a drink holder of sorts. Are you guys ready for this one? This is a Hatcher Customs tumbler, 20 ounces. Let this tumbler remind you that there's a time for everything, and being a salty beep all the time is not going to get you far in life. Karma, remember, she is the mama saltiest beep. Retail value $25. This is great. This is freaking great. I love this. So it's a 20 ounce tumbler. It has a very nice, smooth surface to it. So when you hold on to it, it has a really nice grip. And then it has a very cool, I'm trying to see here. It's a slide. It's a sliding top. See that? Very cool. So we'll take the top off. There we go. Awesome. That is great. So great. This one here is wrapped up individually. It's like a little present. Okay, so this is a little wooden decorative hanging decor piece. It's a wood block sign by KOW online, aka Knock on Wood, and they are based out of Massachusetts. This is the perfect sign for that day when you're not dealing with anyone's beep. Place on a desk or hang on the wall to let everyone where you stand without having to say a word. Retail value is $9.99. I can only please one person per day. Today is not your day. Tomorrow doesn't look good either. How hilarious is that? I forgot, they have a straw in here as well for that tumbler. Then they have a bag. Looks like a canvas tote by Ellembee Gift out of Michigan. Loving this bag. What can I say? Most of our emotional baggage did come from our 20s when we thought we knew everything. Made with 100% cotton and water-based ink. The best part, it's washable. Retail value is $18 on this. This is so cute. Look at this. It says, established in my 20s, emotional baggage. It's actually a really good size tote as well. And it's got the canvas feel to it. Inside it has like a little pocket, separate pocket, so you can put things in. And then it has a big handle as well. So it's not like a two-handle bag, it's like a single handle bag. So that is everything, you guys, in this particular box. Let's go ahead and do a quick review, and then we will go ahead and do our thing. Do our thing. And rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Okay, you guys, this was the Hot Mess Win Box October edition. And let's just say we got some fun and some very funny items this go round. I want to say this box was a tad better than the last box that I received. So let's go ahead and do a quick review. We've got the wooden sign, tumbler, sugar scrub, candle, saltwater taffy, mixed popcorn bag, we canvas tote, emotional baggage. That is everything inside the box. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in the box. So let's go ahead, you guys. When we rate the box, we base on a scale of 1 to 10. I kind of explained that earlier. 1 being, don't go there, or 10, yes, queen, you need to buy this box. I have to say, I love the way they package their boxes. Everything came intact. I love the presentation of the items. I love the variety of the items. I love that they had some little snacks in there this time. That was really fun. I really do like the popcorn, the taffy, the candle, probably the best. But everything else just kind of completes it and makes it so fun. So much freaking fun. So, I don't know what to do. Let's go ahead and rate this box, you guys. I love the variety of the items. I love the fact that they did have the prices on the card this time. That was very super, super awesome to see. This box brings me joy. It makes me laugh. It makes me feel so good and energized and just happy. Drum roll, please. Hot mess win. You did it again. You freaking did it. I love you. I freaking love you. 9.55. 9.55. That's what you get this time around. Awesome, awesome, awesome. If you guys want a box that isn't so serious, that will make you smile, that is very nicely put together, and the price point is legit, Hot Mess Win is the box for you. I will leave everything in my description area, you guys, for you to check out. The link to their website, all of the items, all of the different businesses that were featured in this box as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Comment down below what you would rate this box. One more thing. We'll see you guys in the next video. Hot mess win! Hot mess win!